Okay, because of the holiday weekend, you're going to do Wednesday, Thursday, Friday daily work today, okay? Because today is your distance learning day. And then you have the holiday weekend off get to enjoy your family. So it says for Wednesday, label the parts of the wheel and axle system. So this is what you need to label. You need to label wheel and axle. You need to label load. You need to label force. And then it says draw arrows where friction occurs. So put wheel and axle on one of the lines down here, load on one of the lines, and force on one of the lines. Remember, force is anything that like pushes, pulls. What was the other thing force does? I gotta look back. Oh, lift, push, pull. That's what force is. Okay. Wheel and axle. Load is what you're carrying. It's the object that's being carried or lifted or pulled or pushed. All right, for Thursday, you write true or false on the line. So true, false. Okay. Number 1, wheels and axles move loads. True or false? 2, simple machines cause friction. 3, friction makes things go faster. 4, rolling eases friction. I might even have to go back and look at that because it says wheels roll, rolling cuts down on friction. What is friction? Friction is a kind of force. It is what happens when two things rub together. Friction causes movement to slow down, but wheels and axles reduce friction, making it easy for loads to get from one place to another. Rolling cuts down on friction. Wheels and axles reduce friction. Friction's when two things rub together and it causes movement to slow down. Okay. Friction makes things go faster, true or false? Rolling eases friction, meaning it like lessens it, makes it slow. Okay. And then Fridays is how does the shape of a wheel reduce friction? Reduce meaning like bring it down, lessen it. How does a wheel make less friction? And what shape is a wheel? So I think you need to start by saying the shape, because we're writing in a complete sentence, the shape of the wheel is a something. You fill it in. What is it? The shape of the wheel is a. This shape reduces, which remember reduce means to lessen or bring it down. So it's or stopping, slowly stopping it. Reduces friction you can say by, or you can say it reduces frictions because. The shape reduces friction by something, or the shape reduces friction by what? Okay. So if you look up here, it says imagine a truck filled with big heavy boxes. Because the truck has wheels and axles, the truck can roll and the boxes can easily get from city to city. Imagine if there were no wheels and axles, though. The boxes would have to be pushed along. The friction between the boxes and the ground would be great, meaning it would be big. It would be a lot of friction. And this would make things move very slowly. Okay, so use that to help you think about how the shape of a wheel reduces friction, has there be less friction, which means things don't have to move as slow. Things move quicker. Because of why? Why do they move quicker? Okay, make sure you write in complete sentences down here. Let's look at our math daily work. So you've got Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, let's look at this. Wednesday, solve, solve. These look like they are dimes. How much is a dime? Fill in the correct symbol. So you're just choosing one of those. Write the time, show it on the clock. Scout Troop 27 went on a trip to a farm. They left at 9 o'clock. The trip took 2 hours. Show the time they arrived at the farm. All right, then go down to Thursday math. 14 plus 3, 20 take away 7. Are both sides the same? So here's the line. You're looking, is it the same on this side as it is on this side? How about this one? This is the line. Is this side the same as this side? This one says count by twos. 90, 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. There are 18 students on Ryan's team. Half are boys. How many boys are there on his team? Remember, friends, you can always stop, like pause the video, work on stuff, and then unpause it. That's a good strategy. Because I'm going kind of fast, but if you stop, do some of it, then press play again and have me read it to you, that's a good strategy. And then Friday it says, make 12 in each direction. Use these numbers. 1, 3, 6, 7. Oh boy. Make 12 in each direction. Oh, so like this plus this equals, and this would equal 12. This plus this plus this equals 12. This plus this plus this equals 12. Aha. All right, kind of a fun puzzle, you guys.